Good afternoon. Yes, I did. I said good afternoon. School is over. I'm sitting here because I just finished putting in some grades for a few of my classes. I'm bored. And I miss my brother. What I think I'm going to do is get in my car. I'm going to go for a ride in the garden, just riding through, and I'll let you see the view in the garden. And I may drive to my brother's house and sit in my car and talk to him, or sit on his deck if there's seating there, because he's been working on his deck. So I hope he's finished with it, making whatever renovations he needs to make. I haven't seen my brother since his birthday celebration, and I miss him. We've talked, of course, but we haven't seen each other. So I'm ready to see my brother, and we're going to do it safely. There it is. So the day before I leave to go to my brother's, I was wearing this sweater, and I saw this black spot on the sweater. So I kept pulling on the sweater, pulling on a black spot. And I realized it wasn't a black spot at all. I had a hole in my sweater. And so this sweater now is going to be tossed. I didn't wear that sweater that much anyway, so I didn't expect it to have a hole in it. So then I put on this jacket because I don't know how cold it is outside. I really don't wear this jacket either, but I'm going to wear it today. But I'm putting it in my Poshmark closet to be sold. So let me see what size this jacket is. It's a size large. It's large. So this jacket will be in my Poshmark closet for sale. Yeah. And this is my outfit for the day. Now, out to the car. On our way, and if you noticed, I don't have on that black jacket. It was too big, and it did nothing for my outfit. You guys, I just wanted y'all to see that beautiful tree. The color, it is just wonderful. There goes another one. You don't have nowhere for me to sit. Come in the house. My sister-in-law gave me a coupon for a few free car wash. What'd you say, Hattie?
Merry Christmas, Sylvia.
You guys, I am waiting to get my car washed. Do you see this line? One more closer because somebody's leaving. Okay, I got here around 6:20. It's been maybe 10 minutes, maybe less. So we'll see how long this takes. All right, guys, I've made it all the way up to the gate in less than 15 minutes. This is pretty good. They scrubbed off half of my car. All right, guys, we're gonna see how this experience is. Somebody's scrubbing off a little bit of that. I'm gonna see how this affects my windows and everything. All right, I had to take my feet off the brakes and put my car in neutral. So this is where I am, guys. This is where I am. I can't see. Okay, I guess I'm in the red cycle right now. All right, you see I'm on a green light, and I I am leaving, guys. I'm leaving. I was in and out maybe in less than a half hour. It's like 26 minutes. Up in front of us is a rocking horse. I may come back through so you can see some of the other features that they place in the garden. All right, guys, you're gonna see the difference now in what we saw during the daylight. It's totally different. There's a lot of traffic out here tonight. Now, when I wish that I had little children with me, I didn't even know that they closed off the garden on one end. And
this is what it looks like at night. Notice the trees. You guys, yes, this leads me home. An angel of hope. All right, I'm just about to the end.
Share this video, like this video, and if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to this video. I am a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family. I love my subscribers and my followers, but I especially love God because He keeps blessing me over and over and over again. And I thank Him for it. And I thank Him for you. Have a wonderful day.